So over here you can see that I have three images right here, which are actually the same scene. You can see that there's the tree right here, there's tree, a part of the tree right here as well, and so forth. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and merge out this photos right here as a panorama. In that case, what you can do is, let's say for example, go ahead right here. So you can see that there's three images around over here. You can go ahead and then shift select these three images right here on the bottom, and then go around over here onto photo. And here you can see that photo merge is an option. So here you can see that panorama is an option right here. So if I were to go ahead and select this out, then what happens is that it creates a panoramic preview, as you can see right here. It combined those three images, as you can see right there. So you can go around for cylindrical option as well, or perspective, as you can see right here as well, and so forth, as you can see right here. So now what you can also do is go ahead and fill out the edges right here so that you don't see the edges artifact right here as well, and even go ahead and change around the boundary as you like as well. So once you're happy with what you have, you can simply go ahead and click on merge right here, just like this, and the photo will be processed out. You can see that it is being merged out right here in high quality, and it's creating a panoramic image right here, and this is what you have, as you can see right here, as a result. So if you have multiple photos that you have, then you can go ahead and merge them out to panorama in Adobe Lightroom Classic, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.